It's your family, it's your boy, it's your nigga, it's your friend, you know what I'm saying? Back yet again with another banger. Yeah. I'm really buffet. So namhlanje I'm gonna be reacting to Big Zulu featuring Mduduzi Ncube. I think we all know this song. It's a new song, it's a new song. Inhlupheko. Namhlanje ngireactela yona. So yeah. If you're new to my channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, leave a like, leave a comment for your boy, you know what I'm saying? You know how we do around here. So yeah, without wasting much more of your time, let's get into this song, my friend. Let's go. I'm sure whatever. Like, come on, my nigga. How can you? Umuntu ozizamelayo nayo. Come on, bro. Come on. Especially, obelethe nengane. Now this is sad. This shit right here is sad. Abanye abantu aba-90s.
Sawubona mntanami, ngithemba ukuthi uyaphila. Ngokwegama nguDoris, ngiyabonga usuze wafika. Zukulu letha amanzi ukuthenga i-cold drink ngiyafisa. Kodwa ikati lele ziko sibonga umphefumulo masiphila. Mntanami angixolisi, ukukumoshela isikhathi ongenzeka ukuthi umatasa. Kodwa ngeke ngithathe isikhathi. Zukula uletha icansi umaluma kahlale phansi. Angazi ngizoqalaphi kodwa ngicela ukuqala phansi. Mangithi ngiyabheka, umama ugcwele usizi. Kodwa imvokodo yokuqina le ibambishisa insimbi. Zukulu uyahlabula khala igeja ugcwele insimbi. Sesizwa yile yankomo ukuthi silale sidlile umisi. Mntanami ngisho lo mina ngazalela ukuhlupheka. Nginhlekisa emphakathini nginani impuphu noshukela. Abanye bathi ngiyathakatha, ngithule bengisukela. Angiyazi njabula kodwa ezulwini ngiyakhuleka.
Well, the first verse of Big Zulu Buffett says it all. Did you just hear what this nigga said? Inhlupheko into, bro. Like, if you grew up in Makaya, like Emakaya, you know how izinto izenzeka ngayo emakhaya, bro. Like, yeah. But hey, his first verse says it all. I think nothing is ngikhiphe, like, you know what I'm saying? I looking thing because yo understand Zulu, you know what I'm saying? Yo understand Zulu, yo had the nigga, let's go.
Boss, mina yami impilo enzima njengoba ubona amathuna bonke la ekhaya bangishiya. Lo mntwana osemhlane yena ubaba khe wamphika kusele mina nomzukulu masihamba kuyosala enxiwe. Ngiyazi isisho sitha likhithu nalendlala. Lo mntwana engimtetile nina wamshiya ekhaya. Lo nomdala uhlale buza ukuphi umama wahambe yofuna itoha kaphindanga wabuya ekhaya. Mntanami kunzima kunokuphela iviki ngadlile. Ngikhalela umzukulu abuye esikolweni elambile kodwa usebenza kanzima. Kuba nekusasa eliqhakazile ukuthi uphume enhluphekweni kodwa efundweni hlale phasile. Eqinisweni mntanami mina ngiyafisa ubaba ngithanda kodwa abazukulu mina ngeke ngibalahla. Uyazi isifiso sami ukuthi bafunde baphase nalithawu la mntanami bengaqondile ukuthi ukhaya.
That is why don't judge a book by its cover, you know what I'm saying? Like, if you wanna okay, example, like if you sit down then you see abantu bepanta, do not judge them, you know what I'm saying? Because I was sebedlule kuphi. Life is a bitch sometimes, you know what I'm saying? But she still goes to church. This is what I love about black women. This is what I love about black women. This is what I love about black women. No matter how tough things are ending, but they still manage to go to church every Sunday.
Liyaphuma liyashona ngima kunamehluko yebe ekukhuleni kwami nami ngakhula nginamaphupho ngiyathula nje ngilalela enkonzweni besha amahubo siqalekiso sami ubaba wabambele entulo wakhala nyonini la ikhaya basiqalekisa amathunane lebaleni kushodela mingivalelisa bengaqondile ukudabukisa ngiyaxolisa mntanama kuyona inhloso nje ukubhalisa namhlanje mntanama sazisi yolala sidleni into enokungisiza ukuyothengisa erenkeni ngisivulile itafula qokelelo sheleni kokunye nginokulala khona ngivuke ngithengise ekuseni kunzima mntanami sidla imbuya ngothi angilazi icala lami emhlabeni ngisoni kodwa sengivumile injabula ngiyithola angikhulule mntanami uhamba ilanga lingakashoni.
Big Zulu is a goat. I don't care what you say. After Lalela is like right. It's a goat, straight up goat. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. It's the only one different. It's cool. No uniform, no food, no nothing. I still managing to be the highest in class. Yeah, I'm surprised I didn't shed a tear, because going back to the song, this song is emotional, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's emotional seeing people suffering, you know what I'm saying? And the worst part of all, the moment you call the video, there was a guy othatha imali, like I said. My actions have consequences, bro. Actions have consequences. Like, yeah. As I said, life is a bitch, you know what I'm saying? But hey, if this is based on a true story, you know what I'm saying? Big ups to Big Zulu, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I really much enjoyed this song though, because it's nothing but pure facts. Nothing but pure facts, Buffett. If your family has ever struggled, and what is Wabona now would say was struggling, you know this is pure facts. You know this is nothing but facts, you know what I'm saying? That's why I say Big Zulu is a GOAT, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I respect Big Zulu now. I respect him much more. But after listening to this song, I respect this nigga. Big ups to him, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, leave a like, leave a comment for your boy, you know what I'm saying? Catch you on the next video. Peace.